Hey guys, we're on Thursday. We are on Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. So we're going to. Since I reached here, it's the first time I'm actually going to do something productive. So we're going to.
Active?
Yeah, it's the first time.
We went out 3 days ago.
No, that wasn't productive. We're going to do the shopping and everything. I will just give you the story. I will do the story time to give you guys how I'm adapting to the country and everything. But you know, I'm just trying to cope because this country, it has a lot going on. But anyway, so I will take you guys with us, and yeah. So I'll probably go back to vlogging when we reach to our first place because there's nothing interesting about the road. Everything is chaos. So catch you guys.
Where is it?
It's home. I did not bring it. So guys, we went to buy the tripod. Let me show you.
Okay. No, it's that one.
One which will get.
You want to put your phone on it?
Yeah.
Which one?
We came for pizza. We stopped back to buy pizza because we're hungry and it's already lunchtime. So
Let's buy barbecue chicken.
why? No, me, I don't like it.
Why? Barbecue mega veggie.
I think I want this.
Which
or
one?
This.
Maybe don't buy this one. This my network is so bad.
My new pouch. I look like Nigerian people. Why are you looking at me? Okay, so guys, I'm in the bathroom. The mirrors are not clean. And we were at the market, and everybody was looking at me like, "Why are you looking at me? I look like Nigerian." I feel like here in Africa, well, we all look alike. I mean, when you're looking at someone, you're just making them uncomfortable because Jesus. They probably saw the nervous in my eye and they were like, "You see her, she's not Nigerian because she's so nervous." Because people from here, now Sony Bajira. Me already could get on that Sony Bajira. But I was like, I'm putting on a couple of uyumo. Chango and Nukra Kano number. Scubamba, I really don't know why. Probably, I don't know. I'm waiting for the tissue. I did not find any tissue in this toilet, and I told them to go and bring it. And yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later. Look at these. You think I should take vanilla and coffee?
I don't know. Yeah.
The pizza is ready.
What
The pizza is ready.
What did you add?
The waffle.
Okay. Huh?
Look at these. We're heading now. We're going. This was where we were. We're struggling. Okay. Oh, this is good. So this is the pizza, and this is the ice cream. I don't know. Okay, so let's see. They mixed. They added Oreo. They added waffle, and they added vanilla. vanilla ice cream.
Nine one
So
five seven
I think this is
57
gonna be
40
good. It looks
63
good actually.
97.
Okay, let's try it. Oh, this is how it looks.
Alright, sir.
I think it's a lot going on, but I hope it's gonna be good.
It's gonna be good for sure. Okay. This can you open the pizza here? Fucking super juicy.
Let me just
breakfast
let me
on the-
test this thing and then I'll open the pizza.
Okay.
Okay, guys, time for the reveal.
Reveal. See the way Caleb is eating like a goat eating the leaves.
This is
I
good.
told you.
Okay, if you eat this thing for like a month straight every day, you would look like a pig. This is so good. Okay, it's not that good.
He said this is so good. Like it's not that good. Why?
Okay, I will rate it on 10. I will rate it a good 9, a solid 9. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
You might. You should have probably tried the NSC.
Okay, is it a solid 9? I think it's a 10
You don't know which one you want to choose.
because it's good for real. Okay, I can't say like this is. I do not like this about it. It's a 10 because everything is so.
Everything is properly mashed up, cold, juicy, dripping, finger licking. Just calm your food.
We're going to the mall.
Going to the supermarket.
To the mall.
Yeah. Away from here. So
Yeah. So.
just put the. Yeah.
All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Catch up with you later. Okay, guys, this is the pizza. This is sausage, green pepper, and
chicken, meatballs.
yeah, pepperoni, chicken, meatball. They mixed all of those things, but they were supposed to put pineapple. I told them not to put it, and they were supposed to put black olives. I told them not to put because I don't like them. So it's time to test the pizza, and okay.
The waffle.
The cheese is not that much, and
But it's moderate.
There's no cheese.
me, I like a lot of cheese. I'm telling you, there's no cheese at all.
Thank God.
Okay.
I will give it a solid 8. Oh. How do you like the pizza?
It's okay.
Very tight.
I'll give it 8 and 5.
The pizza is good, but it's so good. But me, I like a lot of cheese, and this is not enough cheese
You
for
have
me.
throw them there.
Oh my god. I'll always find something to do. Baby, this is so beautiful. I wouldn't spend this money on this. These are for kids. But it's for kids. For kids, for real. But they are good.
Okay, this.
Yeah, this one. Let me shop. I'll talk to you. I will show you what everything I picked. But there's so, oh my god, there's a lot of good things here. Oh, I can't see them. I think I'll pick a lot.
Okay, this soap is good.
Yeah.
There's no drink out. This is our stadium.
That is the stadium.
How about the stadium?
There's another stadium in each state. This is not
Oh, each state has a stadium. So
where
this
you're gonna
is okay, guys. This is the cleanest road they have here. The only
Maybe don't be
one.
like the
The
cleanest
only
road you have
one.
here. Are you-
Everything here is dirty, but this place kinda looks clean.
The husband's country is dirty.
Yeah, but it's dirty. This is so good. This is aesthetical. Take. Oh, hey guys, how are you guys doing? My last time vlogging was on Wednesday. We went for shopping. Unfortunately, I came back home sick. I did not get to show you everything we bought. But anyways, so today is Friday. It's my brother's-in-law birthday. And
birthday.
yeah, he's 21. He turned 21. So we were me and my husband were on the way. We're trying to go and see if we can get him, like, you know, something like a cake or something. And yeah, we left him home with his friends. They came to visit him. Does he know that we're going to buy it?
No, he thought we were going to fill the gas.
Okay, so he thought we were going to fill the gas. So we're gonna go and see if we can get him the cake. And you know, yeah, just, you know, surprise him kind of stuff, but it's not like a big deal. And let's see how the day goes. So I'll catch up with you guys later. We're on the way. And yeah. Like we came in the market, in the supermarket to buy wine bottle, but I lost my baby. Yeah. I lost you. Oh
you want that job?
Also guys, we did not get what we wanted. Okay, we got some few stuffs, but we did not get what we wanted. Yeah, but we did not get what we were looking for in this. Yeah.
How many serums do you have?
3. It's only 3. I used to have a lot of serums, like a lot.
Yeah.
And I have
more when you go to that store.
Which store? Yeah, because like, okay, I bought vitamin C serum because I did not have any vitamin C serum. And this country, if you don't use vitamin C on your skin and this sun and everything, you're gonna get burned. Yeah, but I feel very okay, that's it. I got it. I know how to cook it now.
So you did not be like, oh, baby, let me do like this.
Went to buy food. We went to get a cake, and that place they sell food, and we're getting food because we're so hungry. But I was going again, and yeah. Okay, let me see. What? Why they use color blue? They look so fun. But cake zanga has it. I don't even know.
Yeah, you know what?
Okay guys, I'm gonna eat. Yeah, it's good.
That's my food.
Why didn't I pick this? If you're gonna eat the pasta, I'm gonna eat this. Okay guys, so we got the cake. We bought some food because we were hungry. It's not working for me, but it's still showing. Byagenze rero ngiye naguze amakaroni kuko nagomba nshaka kurya ibiryo ntazi kugira ngo bitananira. And my husband bought muceri sinzi ukuntu bawita rero, like hari ukuntu tugiye kurya akambwira ngo taste my food, and I love it, and now I'm having it, and it's gonna have my pasta because mbega umuceri uryoshye. What is the name of this? And I bought Fanta Orange. Irabishi no Fanta, yeah, when it's pas deep. nayo bashyizemo gakeya ifunguye cyane. Okay, this one I did not like it, but the Coca-Colas are so good that this is not my cup of tea. This is what he's taking. It's a yogurt. Tell me who takes food and yogurt?
Yeah. Because when you take something that is too much of pilipili, when you take it, it comes in plastic.
Whew. Fucking hell. Oh, it's so good. Okay, it's good, but I wouldn't take it with food. I don't know. I cannot take food and yogurt. That's me for you.
Give me my yogurt, thank you.
Umva naguze n'urunyama runini sha.
Pasta.
You wanna eat them?
Still got
These are my pasta. Nibyo nari naguze. But I ended up eating this. The runyama rurimo ukuntu rungana ni runini kuko. Baby. So they expect me to eat the pasta with this spoon, for God's sake.
That's bullshit.
Eh.
Is it good? You don't like it? You can take like in the
Too much pilipili. Oh God. Iyi nyama ndayihera he mwabantu cyo kure na rume. Kwa mana. Mendanza ngagera mu rugo. Okay, you know what? This one I will eat it from home. Like what? I can't even hold it.
You can cover it.
Okay. Make the same the way the
Do you
food.
like that rice?
Yeah, this rice is so good. It doesn't even have a lot of pilipili. Mana mbega urusenda hano barya urusenda usiko umuntu ajya guteka noneho isosi yabo aba ari urusenda n'inyanya gusa uri kumva ugafata insenda nk'icumi n'inyanya nk'eshanu se enye cyangwa eshatu inyanya eshatu cyangwa enye n'insenda nk'icumi sheri ukaziblendinga wamara kuziblendinga ubwo nyine iyo sosi nyine ukoresha niyo ukoresha nyine uri gukora nyine isosi sheri noneho bagashyiramo ivuta bashobora gufata nk'agakombe kara subu navuga ku mana amavuta nyine abarere man like it's a lot going on. Okay guys, so we're coming out from the pharmacy. We had to buy some medications and some other things from the pharmacy. Me, I'm sick.
Are you sick?
Yeah, so we had to buy. Okay, I wanted to buy myself some vitamins I need. Yeah, that's it. And we're on our way back home.
No, we're not going back home.
Where are we going?
We're going to buy this thing and
Chérie, ibintu byose babitanga mu ishashi muri iki gihugu. Imiti ya muri farumasi bayitanga mu ishashi, ibintu byose babitanga mu ishashi. What? Okay, I'm back. So we reached home and we surprised our brother, but it was so boring. Nothing happened. I did not record anything because nothing was literally in the rest. Where is that?
YouTube is gonna.
Oh my God, baby, come on.
Yeah, we are a family of
We are the family of three.
So
But abana bavukana nabo baje because they have other two little siblings, a little sister and a little brother. So bari baje hano, but I was like, so you know in Rwanda when you surprise someone, we go with the cake and we're like happy birthday to da da da. I was like, oh, we're gonna go sing a song like for your brother. That's how we're gonna do it. And then on my surprise, everybody was looking at me like, they literally don't do that. They don't sing. They don't do that. You just go hand the cake to someone and that's it. Who does that? Okay, he liked it and it's a sign that we care. We care that this is his big day. That's what matters. So tomato ways. So I want you guys to show you what I got, because last time unboxing but this time let's do the unboxing together. So product that for God's sake, but anyways, this doesn't matter. It doesn't. No, I'm not complaining. It doesn't matter. What matters is what's inside.
I wanted to ask you, how did they give us stuff from Rwanda? Paper bag.
At least paper bag.
Okay, buying something as this cold, putting it in the paper bag.
Okay. Tish koto, we needed this because
It's good up here.
so I bought this palette. Una palette ndashaka kuzanyikoresha mu gucontrollinga. See the colors? A lot of flavors. The third thing is this thing. This one.
It was this one you later got. I thought it was those ones who asked.
Yeah, even this one. I don't know how they put it on, but uyambara ugiye nko koga mu maso kugira ngo ibisuko byawe bidatota. I don't know, I will figure it out. I bought this as well. Powder. I don't even know if it matches my skin, but couldn't you boxing it I don't know if it matches my man. I like the glow. I don't even like to have this kind of, you know, skin or whatever. I like the glow. Look at the glow on this side. Okay, it matches my skin. When you do the makeup, you can use it like a cover up, the cover up powder. And yeah, this edge controller. This is it. Akaga powder. I really wanted this. I really wanted it. Is it even a powder?
It's gonna make you glow.
Yeah, for real. I wanted it. It's glitter bronzer. Glitter bronzer. Yo, I'm being like a golden connemara shining. Like ahanga. I like to glow. I like to glow. I don't know how it's gonna look like. Okay, let me open my brushes and then I will try to put it on and then show you guys. Or probably I can even still show you. Let me open it. Baby, I cannot open it.
Wait, I'm coming.
Okay, I can't open it. A beauty blender brush. How many makeup brush did I get? 2. I put it back. Ututuroso twa makeup dutatu, ikinini naka ngaka ka medium naka ngaka gatoya. None ndi kubona harimo tuno tubiri. Look at this. Look at this. This is so good. It's thick. Okay, so this one is the harya ingi bayita gute? Ni iya bashiraho. Baby, you wanna apply? No, they don't put it like that. Ndapfuye bankizeho. Oh no, nkizeho. This is a lot. Oh my god. Ingi ni glitter bronzer. Glitter bronzer. In it, like you know, you apply it and season. Like, oh my god, you see the. Do you see? Nanubwo rero buriya bagafungura dore utu tuntu rero hano hari utuntu dutoboye nitwo tugira gutya tibikaza nabyo ngere rero narinzi. Iri nka setting spray. Setting spray. Next thing na ya manuze na ingi ni lip gloss, concealer. Ntago nkoresha my foundation because I feel like I'm not this type of girl who likes a lot of makeups. I don't wear makeups every day, but like a concealer, niyo nkoze makeup nkoresha ama concealer. Ntago njya nkoresha foundation. Nope. And this one matches my skin color better. So soap is Kojic Sun. Barambwiye ngo ni nziza. Haba harimo eshatu. Mune nayikuyemo already, iri muri dushe. aya ni amavitamine yanjye nibyo nanagiye kugura muri farumasi ariko hano hakontenizemo vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin D, thiamine, vitamin B2, niacin, vitamin B6, folic acid, vitamin B12, pantothenic acid, iron, iodine, magnesium, zinc, selenium, copper. Yeah, all of those things zirimo just for akanini tubiri ku munsi, and you have all these vitamins. Supplements is just all about taking care of, you know, myself. Ndazikunda zino shortbread. Man, yanjye ziraryoha. This is my favorite. Tido. Okay, actually, her makeup is nice and hand. I don't know, like I had none. So I'm so glad I got to see this. I've been ejobundi nagiye turimo turagenda mu isoko narayishatse ndayibura. Ibaze ko nayiguze muri farumasi. Tiro nayiguze muri farumasi narayibuze mu isoko. Iyo muri iki gihugu ni ibitangaza. Aya. Aka ni akabero kanjye nagakuye mu Rwanda. I don't know how it reached in this sack, but nakaguze mu Rwanda. I like it. Iyi ngiyi nayo nayiguze muri farumasi. Farumasi irimo makeup ndakora he. This is not actually what I was expecting from this. I thought it has this color, but it doesn't even have it. It's just a glow lip oil.
That smells nice.
Yeah, it smells nice for you. You can perceive it from there.
I swear.
Oh my god. Yahumura. Yahumura ne. Mba, nanjye ariko mba nayihometse. It's my husband's money, I don't care. Something else. Nyuma ibisuko bisuka ko kubihambura sima nimbihambura nzamenya ari ndo nsuka. Ndashaka kubikuraho pe ariko mfite ubwoba se nzabina. No, ukuntu ubushyuhe bwahangaha nabwo akambara wigi man. N'abantu bina habambara wigi pe ariko ukuntu hashyuha. Sinzi uko ngero no ukuntu ubushyuhe bumbangamira. Ntabwo nanya nimana amenetse ibiri. Nukuri umva nukuyambara twagera nkara hirya nkatanyikuramo. Twagira ngo bagushize nko mu isafuriya bashira kuri gaze. So anyway guys, this is hyaluronic acid, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C. I did not have any vitamin C. The last of the kin is this one. Ngo bayita caffeine serum. Deba kwa kundi yine ufite ndaho kuko ngiyemeze munsi y'amasangi ni mabeze umuntu naniwe. Hasa nyine hari kind of dark. In a serum icyo ifasha. You just apply it and ukayisigaho every morning. Nabonye handitseho ngo na nijoro umuntu arayikoresha. Can put it in the morning, even in the night before bed, and it's just gonna help you to with this I'm so stressed. Okay, so that was all for the unboxing. I feel so bad that Wednesday I did not get a chance to unbox with you guys because we got a lot of stuffs. We really got a lot of stuffs. Nashaka gukora like a video yo unboxing. Unfortunately, durataha tugeze mu rugo ndwara umutwe urandya iryinyo rirandya mana nyine ndarwara pe numva meze nabi mpita njya mu buriri ndaryama. So I did not get a chance to do that, but I'm so glad I managed to do this one. And yeah, so we're gonna catch up later.